the artists. Beep, beep. Let's draw an adorable pink car. Whether it's zooming through the city or cruising in the countryside, this cute little car is always on the go. Get your pencils, it's time to hit the art road. The very first cars were invented over 100 years ago. They didn't go very fast. Pink cars are rare, which makes them stand out and feel extra special. What kind of shape should our pink car be? Rounded or boxy? Rounded? Perfect! So cute and smooth. What name should we give our pink car? Rosie? That's so cute! Rosie the car! How many windows should our car have? 2 or 4? 2. Great! That makes it cozy. What kind of headlights should it have? Round or star-shaped? Round? Very fancy! What sound does your car's horn make? A beep or a honk? Beep? That sounds fun! Wow! Rosie the pink car is almost ready to hit the road. Now we just need to add some fabulous colors. What shades of pink will you choose? Bright pink or soft pastel? Let's see how wonderful it turns out. Some toy cars are so small, they can fit on your fingertip. Real cars need 4 wheels, but some in cartoons can drive with just 2. Cars can have fun horn sounds, like musical tunes or animal noises. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. A car can have a roof that slides open to feel the breeze. Perfect for sunny days. Should our car drive on a sunny road or a starry night highway? Sunny road? It'll shine so brightly. Some cars are shaped like big vans to carry more passengers. Electric cars don't need gas. They're powered by batteries. Some cars are painted with pictures or patterns to show off personality. What kind of job does this car do? Racing or giving friends a ride? Friends rides? So helpful. It's amazing. Rosie is all set for a big adventure. We did such a great job today, and our pink car is the cutest. Thanks for drawing with me. See you next time, and happy coloring!